Hey guys, this is the wire newsstand. So there'll be this and some cable ties, a sign and some scissors. They're cable tied together, so just firstly undo the cable ties. You'll see that the legs look like that, and it goes on the bottom. These shelves just slide in, one there, one at the bottom. Generally that's pretty sturdy, but we are going to cable tie them on because they're going to be fairly permanent. So we're going to do cable tie 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I won't do the whole lot now, I'll just do these two. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And just obviously trim them. The last thing is to put the sign on, which will go up here with cable ties as well, 4 cable ties in each eyelet. Again, I'll just do one. Just however you can get it on. One. 2. It might be worth just putting the other 2 in there as well, since we've got the eyelets there for them. And then just give them a trim. Fairly close so people don't whinge if they get sort of cut on them. And that'll be the stand. Thanks.